what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Serious Nyashinski. This song is only 5 chords. It's a very beginner song, so if you're in your early stages of playing, this one shouldn't trouble you. Well, as always, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of E and the progression is 6 3 4 1 5. So the key is E. So the 6 is C sharp minor chord. The 3 G sharp minor. The 4 is A major chord. E. The 1 is E, and the 5 chord is B major chord. So it's C sharp minor, G sharp minor chord, A major chord, E major chord, and finally B major chord. And the song is just that progression covers the whole song from start to end. Well, on how to hold these chords, I am using how to hold the C minor chord. I'm using my pointer finger to bar my 4th fret, barring string 1 to 5 with my pointer finger. My middle finger plays string number 2 on the 5th fret. My ring finger on string number 4, 6th fret, and my small finger string number 3, 6th fret. C sharp minor chord. Then G minor chord. This one is a bar chord. So I am barring with my pointer finger, barring fret number 4, and then with my ring fingers, string number 5 on the 6th string, on the 6th fret, sorry, and then my small finger plays string number 4 on the 6th fret too. So that's G sharp minor chord. And then the chord that follows is A major chord. So this A major chord, I'm playing a bar chord. Pointer finger on the 5th fret, barring string 1 to 6, and then my middle finger on string number 3, 6th fret, my ring finger string number 5, 7th fret, my small finger string number 4, 7th fret. So this is A major chord, and then the chord that follows is E major chord. So this is just the normal E chord, open chord. I am using my pointer finger to fret string number 3 on the 1st fret, my middle finger fretting string number 5 on the 2nd string, and my ring finger fretting string number 4 on the 2nd string. So this is E major chord. And then finally the B major chord. So B major chord, my pointer finger, well, I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 1 to 5, and then my ring finger is barring string number 2, 3, and 4 on the 4th fret. So those are the chords that comprise that progression. So again, it's 6 3 4 1 5. So that's how you will play that song. It's the same progression from start to end. So that's it for this tutorial. Well, if you learned from this tutorial, just give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate if you did so. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Plus, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.